Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I want to show you a brand new 2021 all black Sea Ray 27 SDX outboard, 300 horse V8 Mercury Verado on the transom. It's got the great tones, full black hull, stone and gray interior, black hardtop. Really sleek looking boat. Let's hop up, give you a quick little walkthrough. Got lots of seating, great 27. Fit 10 to 12 people super comfortably on this boat. It's got the gray snap-in SeaDeck flooring. Tons of space up here in the bow. You can sit opposing, flip down armrest. Really comfortable if you want an afternoon in the sun. And then look at this top, huge amounts of sun coverage. It does collapse down. Seating, opposing seating, cockpit table space, freshwater shower. This one's equipped with a 12-inch GPS screen, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Really great family boat, sports boat, cruising, diving. It's a very, very comfortable experience on the water. It's MarineMax Pompano. It's Justin Costello. Look at all this walk space back here, even with the outboard. I love it. Give me a call direct, 954-633-2070. I'd love to chat with you about this boat or anything similar. MarineMax Pompano Beach.